Alright, heading to get wood. Yeah, you ready, Gunner? Man, it's cold. So many layers on. Ready? Putting in some hard work over here. It's so cold. At least the sun is shining and the skies are blue. I'm mad about that. Getting more firewood. That's a constant struggle. Well, a constant chore. Alright. Let's go. I'm up now. So we're speeding this up, but I don't know, I guess it was about a half hour of putting in some work, collecting firewood, chopping firewood. It's supposed to get like brutal cold soon. Speed this up a little more. This is the reality though. Living in the woods with a wood stove as a heater. It also cleans the forest. So while we're waiting for spring to get the garden going, we're doing this. Anyway, yeah. Slowly but surely. It's like hard work, bro. You gotta have the little stuff to get the big fire going, so here we are. It's good cardio. Farm life. It's nice and quiet though. Love it. Love it. Man, it's cold out here. Got a bunch of wood. Dog came running, acting crazy. Anyway, firewood prepared. It's gonna be like 14 degrees. So here we are. I think we're gonna go take a break, make some hot tea, unload this big load, and then come out and get a little bit more in a little bit. Oh, that's the constant chore of having a wood stove. Good for the electricity bill. Great exercise. Kind of exhausting. That's fine. Farm life. Wave to the camera. Look at that massive pile. That's some strong work right there. Farm life. Farm life. Strong work. Aftermath. Thanks for joining.